Hey guys, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. Going to be working on a Tesla this morning. There's the majority of the curb rash right in there. But this has been repaired before and they used the wrong color. And they didn't really sand it out. They just painted it over the damage. So I'm going to repair all that too. First thing we're going to do is pop this center cap off so we don't damage that when we're working on the wheel. I'm going to take the majority of the damage out with a 60 grit grinding disc, and I'll go back over it again with the red conditioning disc. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, maybe checking out the links in the description below for the tools and products I use. I will start grinding on this one. We'll go ahead and switch it up to the red medium conditioning disc. Clean up those grinder marks a little better, and then we'll sand it out. We'll go ahead and clean all that up with the 320 grit sanding disc. I need a new one. And these wheels will tear up the sandpaper pretty quick. It's got that thin lip we have to sand on. And it's going to put wrinkles in the sandpaper. So we'll try to get this wheel done with just the one sheet. Let's see if that works or not. Scuff this whole wheel with the 1500 grit scuff pad. Just wipe it down real quick around the edge. Alright, we're going to be going with the magnetic gray paint on this one. This paint And all my other paints are linked in the description below. There's a total of 9 that I carry with me at all times. Just cover all that with clear coat, and we'll put the center cap back on. It's a little light right up top. We can just shoot this right back over the clear coat. You don't need to re-clear coat it. Alright, now putting the center cap back on, you just want to be real careful. You don't want to touch any of the wet paint. So just get it lined up first. Pop it back in. And I'm going to do the rear wheel on this Tesla next, and it's destroyed all the way around, so keep an eye out for that one.